Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC shows some strength today, generally with the altcoin sector. We see some upside. Still though, the price continues to move in this, you could call it a triangle pattern or a price range. So we suggested in the previous video that there are still many ways how obviously in the current corrective phase the price could still unfold. But there is currently, unless we really get a sustained break below this golden ratio level here, the 61.8 retracement, until we get a sustained break below that 64-65 cent level, there isn't really anything bearish here at the moment. There are a few different pathways how this fifth wave, that is still part of my expectation about this chart, that this could still unfold. For example, the market could form this triangle A, B, C, D, E, and then if we get another E wave down, it's forming a higher low and doesn't break below the 19th of December low, then yeah, a fifth wave to the upside should unfold, and it would indicate that the fifth wave hasn't started yet. There is another way, which is the yellow, very complex WXY structure, and we'd be moving in an A, B, C structure within the Y wave right now. In this scenario, the 70 cent level is going to be key, 69, 70 cents as a potential target. In this scenario, the price is allowed to make another low below the 19th of December low, but needs to stay above 64, 65 cents. But also you can see here, there's just another scenario how this correction could unfold. But also then, as soon as it's finished, we should still see that fifth wave to the upside. There's only obviously one bearish case I'm observing, but it requires the break below the 64-65 cent level, and there's nothing impulsive to the downside at the moment that would suggest that to me. That can change, but at the moment the chart still shows rather strength, or well, at least sideways ranging price action, which isn't necessarily bearish, not after quite a strong increase that happened over the last couple of months. Instead, we're moving here sideways, and yeah, it could be that triangle that would be potentially bullish. Or, okay, we might make another low, but as long as we're holding in the support area, one more high is still part of the, is on the agenda. And if we get a break above the triangle's upper boundary line and a break above the last swing high at 94.5 cents, then I assume the fifth wave is already unfolding to $1.10. So in all of the cases that are for me likely at the moment, I would be looking for that $1.10 level to be reached, $1.10 plus. Things can change along the way, but at the moment, this is what I'm looking for. If I see it as highly likely that we get below the 64-65 cent level, I will let you know. That would most likely only be the case if we get a sustained break below the 50% retracement level at 70 cents. Then obviously when we get very close to the golden ratio level, which is already deeper than ideal for a fourth wave, but acceptable, well, then I will emphasize more the bearish case in which a C wave can send us down below 50 cents again. But it's not primarily what I'm watching for. I'd like to see really this five wave pattern in a diagonal that would then suggest to us that in 2024 we can get a really good and stable uptrend, hopefully towards actually $10. Now, all of that might not happen next year, but $10 is sort of a realistic bull market projection. After five waves up, we'd be looking for a three wave pullback, of course, and I can give you a support area, and we can look for a third wave rally to the upside afterwards. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.